Last year we told you that everything that's going on inside your head is perfectly fine. You are enough. You're an interesting person, you're a lot of fun, and we gave you a lot of tips on how to be engaging on stage. Now we're taking the next step and we're going to show you how to add some humor and punch up your stories so that you're not only a great presence on stage, but now you're a great writer. Come check us out on July 7th at the Coral Springs Library with Toastmasters and Sick Puppies Comedy.